Hi friends, I'm delighted to welcome you back on this video segment. It's still your English language teacher, Mr. Kindness Onyekwere. So friends, please, I want you to go get your textbook, your notebook, and your pencil and your pen, so that we can start the day's business. Let's see what we have in this video segment. Let's see the plan. So this video is for 6th of May. And this is your homework for the day. Friends, endeavor to do your homework. So this video starts from module 8, and under module 8 this is the overview of what we are going to be discussing. Under vocabulary we'll learn about natural disasters, and under reading we are going to learn about multiple choice. We are going to do true and false statement, question answer comprehension questions, and on the grammar we will write a reported speech, reported statement, reported questions, reported commands, and requests. And we will equally learn how to do a reporting model verb. We will have the listening part, the speaking, the writing, and the language focus. And at the end, we will do our progress check. So friends, let's see what we have here. It's a natural disasters. Which of these natural disasters do you know of? Do you know what is tsunami, landslide, volcanic eruption, earthquake, flood, hurricane, drought, and avalanche? Do you know them? These are forms of natural disasters. So you can just read them up, Google them, or you check your dictionary if you don't know what they are. So it says, which of these disasters are common in your country? Which? Is there any that is common here in your country? Okay, so say fill in these words: aftershock, clouds of ash, overflowed, mountainside, hood out, roof. So these words here, let's see, fill them. So you can see them here. I overflowed. Underwater. So we want to fill those words here. You can see them, so you copy this and fill them here. And test A talks about flood, test B is about an earthquake, and test C is a volcanic eruption. Okay? So it said, imagine you experience one of the disasters in exercise 2. In 3 minutes, write or say a few sentences describing your feelings. Now, friends, we want to imagine. So, which will you imagine? Which of them will you imagine? This is the one I imagine. Yeah, it was frightening experience. I was at school. When it happened, we felt the ground move. So, when the ground moved, which do you think we are talking about? Will it be a flood? Will it be an earthquake? Will it be a volcanic eruption? Which of them do you think of that I am trying to explain here? So because there is a land move, that is an what? Earthquake. So you can write yours following which of these disasters are common in your area. So you can write any of these. If it's flood, if it's earthquake, if it's volcanic eruption, you can write your own answer. Okay, friends? Let's see now. On the reading, we have the day the tsunami struck. So I want you to please make out time, read this sentence, read this text, read it very well. We have A, B, C, D, and E. Then you have to check out these words from your word list. Make sure you check them out so that when we get there, you will follow through. Okay? Now the aim of exercise 1 is for us to introduce the topic. He said check these words in the word list. So friends, I want you to check these words in the word list. I won't do that for you now. So check them out and write them in your notebook. And B said the words are from the text. Read the first sentence in each paragraph. What is the text about? Okay, let's see that. Yeah. The text seems to be about a tsunami that caused a lot of damage. Good. So, I want you to please do not forget to write the meaning of these words. Check your word list. Okay? So, In exercise 2, we want to read for specific information and to identify the type of test. It says read the test, and for questions 1 to 6, choose the best answer A, B, C, or D. Then give reasons for your answers. What type of test is it? So I want you to do it, then you can check. Yeah. So these are the reasons. Number 1 is C, and from line 5 to 6. 2 is C from 18 to 19. And 3 is, that's why I have asked you from the beginning to read that test. Read it. You'll see where these answers were gotten from and the lines they were taken from. Okay? Now, what is massive? Massive is an adjective, very large. So these are the meaning of these words. Massive, refracture, arch, colossal wave. So these words, these are their meaning, and that is their part of speech. Okay, friends? You have to write this down in your what? In your what? Notebook. Correct. I trust you know what to do. Have you done that? Let's now move to the next slide, and that will be exercise 3, where we want to read for specific information. It said decide if each statement is true or false. Explain your answer by quoting the text. So let's see what will be the answer. You remember you have to read the text to get answers to this question, whether true or false. Whether they are true or false. So number 1 is false, and that is the quote from the text. Number 2 is false, that is the quote from the text. And number 3 is true, that is the quote from the text. Good? Now let's see what you can do in your own way to answer questions on a test from exercise 4. That will be in your own words, and based on the information in the text, answer this question. Why did the people move to a higher position? Why? Why did they move to a higher position? So pause this video, read the test, and answer this question 1 to 3. Answer these questions 1 to 3. Why did they move? Okay, you can cross-check your answer. If you've done that, let's see. They moved to a higher position to escape the tsunami. She felt completely shocked. He encouraged the other town people to help each other and not give up. So, did you get it right when you tried it? Did you get it right? Okay, let's now try to consolidate new vocabulary through synonymous words and phrases. Synonyms and phrases. We want to learn about synonymous words. It says, find the words in the text, which mean from usual, huge, to come close, to be strongly advised. So we want to find these words. You say, what part of speech is each word? What part of speech is each word? So we want to see the synonyms of these words. Okay? What is the synonym of usual, ordinary, and what part of speech is an adjective? Huge is enormous and is an adjective. To come close is what? Approaching. I'm approaching you. I'm coming close to you. Okay? So friends, you have to write these words down in your what notebook. Remember to write the date. Then you write the exercise and the page where it's gotten from. And you underline before writing this so that you know where the information you're writing on your notebook, where you got it from, for easy reference. Have you done that? Okay. We want to form noun. We want to form noun from the next exercise. So let's go to exercise 6. Exercise 6 says, write the noun derived from the words below. Check in your dictionary. What noun can we derive from possible, reside, destroy, think, devastate, and survive? What are the nouns of these words? So I want you to write it, then you can check. Yes. Possible is what? Possibility. And impossibility. Possible, possibility, reside, residence, residence. Destroy, destruction, and destroyer. Think, thought, thinker, thinking. Devastate, devastation. Survive, survival. Or what? Survival. Survival, survival. Okay, friends, it's been a wonderful time. So please, I want you to take serious your homework. Take it seriously. Do them. By now, you should have finished all the exercises of your homework from your workbook. I mean, the exercises from Module 7. You must have finished them by now. Please check again if you've not done them. Complete them, as we've gotten into Module 8. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Many thanks. Bye. Please, if you have any question, send it through the appropriate channel. It will get to me, and I'll get back to you with the answer. Or you write them down so that you don't forget them. When we meet, you ask your questions. Thank you.